I have your key to one smart tech gadget that will forever lower your healthcare costs. That is quite the claim. Hello, it's also quite the price drop. I am your YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite, with all of the biggest deals that I feature every day at mattsdailydeals.com. Think about how much you spend on teeth cleanings, cavities, all sorts of fun things tied to your mouth, your oral health, if you have a root canal, more importantly, if anyone in your family has ever suffered from oral cancer. I'm going to show you something you can do every day, a couple times a week, something that I swear by, where the savings add up very quickly on your teeth cleaning. Now, I am definitely a testament to this product being effective, not awkward, but I do drink and consume an inordinate amount of bubble tea. And if you drink coffee, if you've ever smoked, if you've ever done anything, including this nice little drinking that could stain your teeth, the gadget that I have today that was awkward. I didn't realize there was water in it, and I emptied it, and now just spat all over my shirt. But anyhow, we're going to keep going because I'm a professional. mattsdailydeals.com. I'm going to change shirts and show this to you in action right now. If you've never used a water flosser or a WaterPik, it's not just about flossing. This is the exact same tool your dentist or dental hygienist use, except this is portable. You get a deep clean in the most stubborn plaque buildup areas of your mouth. It also gently whitens. You can see from my teeth, it removes stains, it adds brilliance. It also pulsates the gums, which is one of the most overlooked aspects of dental care. This will help prevent bad breath, tooth decay, as well as oral cancer, and it's long lasting. You get 30 uses on a single charge. That's unheard of at this price point. Ultra quiet, and it's fully waterproof. You can keep it underwater forever. IPX7, many of the other water flossers and WaterPiks on the market that really everyone should buy if you care about not paying the additional cost to your dentist. This is your best bet. Let us unbox this. And again, this is the one that I own. This is the unboxing version. You got instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory. Packaging, it's fine, it's standard. There's nothing particularly exciting about the packaging. I like the accessories though. And I like that you get a travel case for this. Now keep in mind, because this does handle so much battery power, where one charge gets you at least 30 uses, you do not need to charge this repeatedly, which is great. All right. It is nice that everything is packaged individually, kind of like how your dentist would use these, right? Extra hygienic, and you get the different, depending on what type of spray nozzle you want, different parts right there. This is nice. I like this. Okay. With this, you will use your smartphone charger. It's a USB charger, so that's phenomenal. You can plug one into your iPhone, Android charger, any type of USB charger you have. And then the other end goes into the water flosser. Just a quick tip, if you are searching for the port, it's right over here. And it has a waterproof cover that just needs to be pushed in. And then once you have it on and you put the tip into the top part, you can select what you would like to do. There is the normal mode. There is a soft mode if you've got very sensitive teeth. There is a pulsating mode. I, again, swear by that for removing buildup and helping ensure that you have a much healthier gum. And then of course, you have the point control on the bottom, which is your key to making sure any buildup is removed immediately. Let me show you how to lower your price significantly on what could be your best bet to beating all of the rising costs to make this healthy. Head over to mattsdailydeals.com. Please feel free to join my daily deal list. This will make you eligible for future giveaways and freebies. And I did mention the iPhone 11 Pro is going to be a giveaway on this channel. You'll see all of my most recent deals on mattsdailydeals.com. Let's click on the Pure Clean Smart Water Flosser. It's the power flosser as they call it. It is quiet. I don't know if I mentioned that. And then you will end up on eBay. I should mention I do use affiliate links, which means I am slightly compensated for the work that I do right here. So thank you for using my links. The seller is a very high rating, which is great. That's very important to me. Don't click buy now. Instead, click make offer. And when you go to this page, your price could show up as 80 bucks, whatever the price is, even if it's on sale, click make offer. This is what I guarantee you will get you the product at a much lower price. Put in a price of $59.99. Now, eBay is going to try and persuade you to put in a price of $85. Add in $59.99. Don't go lower. Don't go higher. Click review offer. I've already checked with the seller and placed several test orders, and they will accept this for $59.99. Click submit offer. After you click submit offer, you'll receive an email from eBay within what could be 2 minutes or up to 24 hours. And from that point, just accept the offer from that email and you'll be able to buy this for $59.99 with free shipping, down from $100. Significant savings and some huge benefits. Again, mattsdailydeals.com. Again, mattsdailydeals.com, and this is a product from Purewell, and it's funny, I don't know, maybe 9 or 10 Purewell deals a year because I really like the brand and they have an affiliate program, which is great. And whenever I do that, I was like, oh my God, not another Purewell video. How many items do I feature from Amazon? Or how many items do you have in your house that are made by Procter & Gamble? Almost everything, in my case, from toothpaste, right? So if there are brands that you like, I feature them. It's not preferential treatment. Try and find a water flosser with these specs at this price. You're not gonna find it. So yeah, of course, I am highly in support of a company where the products are continuously good. That's why you'll see repeats of brands on this channel. There's brands I absolutely love. And of course, Amazon is one of those. But whenever I post an Amazon video, everyone is not like, oh my goodness, why didn't you do more Best Buy today? So it's just interesting how people respond. But my job is to make sure you get great products and you get them at the lowest recorded prices. So there you have it. Now, please feel free to leave me a comment. Clearly, I read your feedback. I love you guys for watching. Got some crazy good tech deals right around the corner. And of course, as we prepare for that holiday shopping rush, you can bet I'm here to hook you up. Until we meet again, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, this is what you can do. Just click on my oversized head right here. That will subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here. And that last big roundup of deals I did, right over here.